900 meter?
Maybe 900.
Huh?
900.
No, I ain't gonna.
For sure it's there. Maybe we pay, so we wanna explore.
900 meters. 900.
Kilometers.
What? I couldn't even. My God. You know how dirty you are. For baby. Baby.
People will know. People will know.
Nature, huh?
Look.
Oh my God.
What?
Careful, Saki.
Let me go first.
Hey!
Do not step on the...
Maybe it's wet because of the rain.
I know. But
I'm not looking down because I'm talking about monkeys.
karma. Slowly, Saki, huh?
Yeah, be careful with it.
Moving up.
If you can hold, someone grab you, baby.
It's been like that, yeah. Yeah, I see. Good that there's wood. Maybe be careful too, if you have snail.
Baby, this is... Are you sure we're going there?
Why, you don't want to?
I don't know. Like, it seems so far.
It depends, baby.
No, like
Huh?
Yeah, it depends how far.
we go down.
1 kilometer? Baby, no. Just go back. We don't have someone aside from us. But I want to pee. If we have someone